First, copy your data. Click on the cell where you want to paste it. Go to Home, Paste, Paste Special. In the box that appears, check Transpose and hit OK. Boom, your rows turn into columns instantly. If you want to speed things up, copy your data. Select the cell where you want it. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus V. Check Transpose, then press Enter. That's it, done in seconds. Need a method that updates automatically? Select where you want your transpose data. Type equals transpose open parenthesis your data range and press Enter. Your data is now transposed and it updates whenever the original changes. Follow for more advanced Excel tips.